Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminulchem. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to explain types of column adsorption kinetic models. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, fixed bed modeling. For successful design of a fixed bed column adsorption process, concentration time or breakthrough curve should be analyzed carefully, and several kinetic models are used for column adsorption modeling. Here is the typical example of breakthrough curve, and the models are Thomas model, Yoon Nelson model, Bohart Adams model, Clark models, coulmn model, back depth surface model, modified dose response model. Let us consider Thomas model. Well, Thomas model can explain the plug flow behavior of the fixed bed, and it is based on Langmuir adsorption system and follows second order reversible reaction kinetics. Describes adsorption-desorption process with no axial dispersion, and linear equation of Thomas model can be written as ln C naught by Ct minus 1 equal to K QEM divided by Q minus K QEV divided by Q. It is a typical two parameters model where C naught is equal to influent concentration in milligram per liter, Ct equal to outlet concentration at time t, K is the Thomas rate constant, Q is the amount adsorbed at equilibrium, Q equal to flow rate, M equal to mass of adsorbent, and V equal to volume. So these are the reference from where most of the informations have been collected. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Aminulchem Innovation, like, comment, share, and for more updates.